Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Currencies Direct Money Transfer. Review my usage experience. Currencies Direct Money Transfer. Review my usage experience offers international money transfer services. It's designed for individuals and businesses needing to send or receive money across borders. Key features seem to include competitive exchange rates and potentially various payment methods. Their website provides details on their services, highlighting competitive exchange rates and a transparent fee structure. They emphasize ease of use and claim to offer a secure platform for international transfers. Availability is worldwide, though specific country limitations might exist. You should check their website for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Currencies Direct Money Transfer. Review my usage experience. I recently needed to send a significant sum of money to family in Australia. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The sign-up process was quick, requiring only basic personal and financial information. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I appreciated the clear breakdown of fees and exchange rates, which allowed me to accurately budget for the transfer. I chose the bank transfer option, and the entire process, from initiation to confirmation in the recipient's account, took approximately 3 business days, which was faster than I anticipated. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time tracking of the transaction. I could monitor its progress every step of the way. I had a quick question about the exchange rate fluctuation, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Everything had to be managed through the website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Currencies Direct. The speed, transparency, and ease of use made it a much less stressful experience than I expected from an international money transfer. That's my overview of Currencies Direct Money Transfer. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.